Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are working our way through the packet. We are on April 30th, representing proportional relationships with equations. Now, there's a lot of information that we need to remember before we jump into this. We need to remember the equation, y equals kx, where k is the constant of proportionality. Now, we can find the constant of proportionality very easily. We know that k, let me write this somewhere where you can see it, k is equal to y over x. And it's that simple. This is not a tricky topic, guys. K equals y over x. That's how we're going to find our constant of proportionality. The way we do that, pictures is our x, profit is our y. We're going to go ahead and just set up some fractions or some ratios with our y divided by our x, or 24 divided by 3 would be the first one. So here we do 24 divided by 3, and we get 8 as our answer. When we do y over x here, we get 32 over 4. What's 32 divided by 4? 8. For this column, we do y divided by x, which is 40 divided by 5. We get 8 again. And then for this one, we do 48 divided by 6, and we get 8 again. If we're asked the question, is this proportional? Are all these numbers the same? Yes, they are. So is it proportional? Yes, it is. Now, this 8, since 8 is your common answer to y over x, since it's your common solution, that means 8 is your k. So your k equals 8. Your k equals 8. So if we were to plug this into our equation, y equals k of x, it's just going to be y equals, instead of k, we're going to put 8. X. Y equals 8x. And that's how we got our first answer. Yes, it's proportional, and the equation is y equals 8x. We're always going to use this base equation, y equals k of x, where we find our k by doing the division. If they're all the same, we have our k, and you just plug that k into the equation, y equals kx. Very simple. But there's also cases where it will not be proportional, like number 2. Let's take a look at number 2. Y divided by x. If we do 60 divided by 185, you'll see we'll get an answer of 0.324. And then we do the next column, 115 divided by 325, and we get 0.489. These two numbers are not the same, which means this table is not proportional. And since it's not proportional, there can be no equation, y equals k of x. So you don't have to write any equation. You write non-proportional, you are done. And you would tell us why it's not proportional. It's not proportional because when you did 60 divided by 185, it was not equal to 115 over 235. If these proportions are not the same throughout the entire table that we have, then it's going to be non-proportional. It's as easy as that. So what I want you guys to do is for the rest of this page, number 3 and 4, just take y divided by x, y divided by x, y divided by x, y divided by x. If you get the same number, your equation is going to be y equals whatever that number was, x. And that's it. So I think this is a relatively, not easy, but the concept is very straightforward. Now, if you still have trouble with it, please comment on the video, send me an email, send me a message on Microsoft Teams because I'm going to be posting this video there too. If there's anything you guys need further, I am here. I'm bored. I have all day to respond to you guys. Feel free to ask any questions you have. That being said, I'm going to get started on the next day and post that video as well. And I hope to hear from you guys soon. I'll see you.